How to find PC password for Windows 10 or Windows 11. This actual process is going to be straightforward and just few clicks away, and you should be able to locate your password. Now, the very first thing you want to do is locate your search box or your Windows icon and access your control panel by typing it. Click it in. Now in here, go into user accounts, click that. And then from user accounts, you should be able to see a credential manager where you can access manage web credentials and as well as your manage Windows credential. But click on credential manager at first. So this is all the options that you can go. It's going to be web credentials and Windows credentials. So if you click on Windows credentials, this is where your password will show up. Right now, it is stating here as Windows credential, no Windows credential because I haven't set up any. But if you would like to set it up, just click on Add a Windows credential and input the password you would like. But if you already set it up a password in your Windows, then this is where it will show up. And that's it. That's how you find PC password for Windows 10 and 11.